What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another BMW M2 G87 in a lovely red paint. We have the car here for a single mid-pipe conversion, has already been done. There is the original mid-pipe, and also the SST valve controller also been installed, so the customer has the full control over the valves. Walk underneath the car and showcase you how the mid-pipe looks. So this is the mid-pipe that came off the car. As you can see, if we look over here, normally the pipe goes through here and then it meets up here in the middle of the car. But with our mid-pipe, we have removed the short pipe over here and the long pipe over here. So it mixes into the single mid-pipe right away. So right here it connects to the downpipe. That is where this pipe normally goes. The single mid-pipe removes the two secondary cats, the two OPFs, and a resonator. And on this car we have installed a resonated version to silence some of the raspiness. Of course, it also comes with the OPF sensors installed on the mid-pipe, so you can just put back the original OPF sensors like they should have been installed. Normally they sit over here, so we replicated the position of the OPF sensors here on the single mid-pipe. And this way it is not mandatory to remap the car. You can do it by remapping the car, of course, to remove the check engine light, but you can also use LiPE module to trick the car into thinking it has OPFs. So here we have the cables for the valve controller has been installed nicely. So the customer has full control over the valves on the rear muffler. So welcome on board the BMW M2 with the DCE part single mid-pipe. We've installed the valve controller as well. It has 4 modes. A is open, B is closed, C is like original, and D is 50% open. It works in every mode, so if you're in efficient mode you can fully force the valves open, or if you're in Sport Plus mode you can fully force the valves closed. But we do not recommend that if you are going to floor the car, keep the valves open or in the OEM mode, because of the back pressure. So do not close the valves when you use it in Sport Plus and fully floor the car. So let's drive off, test how the car sounds with the valves open and closed. Right now the valves are fully opened. So right away you hear the exhaust note is a lot deeper than original. Of course you're missing like 5 filters in between, which open up the sound quite a lot. You know, in third gear. Car has a little bit of traction problem with this weather. It's cold, wet, but the sound is great. Yeah, makes the car a lot more fun to drive compared to an X-Drive M3, for example. This is why I love these cars. Sixth gear. Put it in efficient mode with the car in OEM mode. It silences the car by quite a lot, so it's like OEM levels right now. Put it in D. It's perfectly fine, I think. Yeah, lovely. So we'll of course showcase you a few clips from the outside, and also yeah, bring it back to the workshop and rev it from there, and then yeah, see what we think of it. There you go, mid-pipe has been installed. Sounds amazing. Love the result again. I really love this car and this color. And now the sound is also up to spec. These cars really come to life with just only a mid-pipe, but who knows what the customer does to this car in the future. We want to thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.